Hello, good morning, maayong buntag. Maupay nga aga. So, yan na nga adlaw. Mag-grocery kami, adit amon eco bag. So, let's go. Padi kami na ha, dollar store. Dollarama. Kasi yan ay sa friend niya. She's one of my good friend here in Springdale. Hi, Bulo! Hi! Say hi! Hi! She's beautiful, right? Say hi to my vlog! I'm doing vlogging! Yeah. Bye, bro! Oh my god, you need to pay. Just a second. So, nangalimot pakpag bayad. Mapipriso pa. Mapipriso pa, himadi. Ano pa kakabayad? Apay kami mga utanon. Bye!
May sarak yan.
Guys, kapalit kami ni Rimunan kaya din para hubog. Ruscato inom-inom kita kay day off. Sumabalay na kami, guys. We will try to check the result. Sure. Check kita na result kay bangin nagdaw kita ng load. $10? Not a million. Not a million. Yeah, the winning. Can we try to buy a ticket also to that?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Same number.
You want to play same number?
Yeah, the same number, Malaw.
Okay.
Daw kaming $10. Dere millions. Okay na lang ito kaysa hubag.
But it's a Friday, Thursday.
Friday result?
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
New.
The new one.
Well, you won't be able to check it until Saturday.
Okay.
Yeah. This was your old one. So that ticket was $7. So I owe you $3
Yeah.
for this. So
Yeah.
take it off.
Yeah.
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
1821.
Yeah, okay.
18, 21.
Cute. Just a
Good day.
Have a good one. Nakita ka mo, guys, pagka diri pagod totally tunaw and snow. Frozen. May mga shrimp nila nga puro sila frozen. May daliwat meron ka din nga bago nga ihaw, nagpakakat na ng mga karne. See? So usa ka cut nga karne amoy ni kita. So almost $14.52. Okay. Guys, mabayad na kami share. Tarong pera tat bill. So guys, kalpot lang na mantikang nga to pag grocery. So pero tanan na nagasto.